Hello guys, so today I will show you a quick guide on how to prepare as well as possible for your lectures. So for this tutorial you will need two things. So the first one is go onto that website and enable Gemini for students. So as you have a student email address, you can get Gemini Pro for free. Then once it's activated, you can go on Gemini. You need to go there, activate 2.5 Pro. Then you want to link the file of your lecture. So I will show you an example. So if I select this one, for example, you select this, you say generate a quiz based on the lecture I will have this week. Press enter. Then you let the model think and it will generate a quiz based on your lecture. The goal of that quiz is not to get all the right answer, but to think about the material we will learn this week and to make mistakes and ask why is the correct answer. So for example, it generates a quiz like this. So you can try to answer, you read the question. And then, for example, if I answer this one, okay, it's the correct one. I can go to the next one. Then this one, okay, no, it's not the right answer. So I can ask him, why isn't this answer correct? Okay, so it's still thinking and creating the 10 questions. So you can have a quick introduction on the material of your lectures. So hop, and then it thinks a bit, and you will answer. It is for question 2. Okay, so here I have an explanation on why it wasn't the right answer. So then I have a bit more knowledge on what will be coming in the lecture, and I will be more responsive, and I will reduce cognitive load as well. So that was a quick guide on how to prepare for your lecture as well as possible. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.